Listen, her breath is going up. Hi.
Yes, I thought she took her medication.
Okay, I don't know. Let's go to her room. Let's go and check her. Let's go.
Just what have I done to deserve this?
Huh? What have I done wrong? What? What?
I am just troubled. Our daughter is losing her faith. To her, nothing is just working. We need to do something.
What? What are we going to do? What are we going to do that we have not done? We have practically taken her everywhere. To the best health facilities all over the world. Orthodox and unorthodox. We have even gone through Chinese acupuncture. But nothing seemed to be coming out. Nothing. I'm tired.
No, we can't give up. We can't. My Lord, please. Our daughter will not be happy with us. It is our cross. We have to carry it.
Want her life now. They don't want her to go old. Just as they have taken that of some of her brothers and sisters.
No, wise one, please help me. That's my only child. Please help me, do something. That's my only child. Biko, help me. You can say something, Biko.
Please, wise one, we are ready to do anything. The princess is our only child. Please, anything, whatever it takes, we are ready.
The gods have listened to your plea. Go back to the palace and leave her here with you.
Huh? Wise one. That's my only daughter, please.
Woman, do not interrupt the instructions from the gods.
It's okay, wise one. But we're ready to do anything.
She will wake up. Be back in 3 days' time. Return with whoever she likes to play with, but not from her immediate family. Return with that person, either male or female.
Yes, we will.
You may leave.
Thank you. Wise one.
It's okay. Our daughter will be fine. Sit. She will be. Trust me. Okay? Just pull yourself together.
How will I know? How will I know if
She will be alright. Let us give the priestess at least some benefit of doubt. Okay?
You will not understand. You will not understand. You will not understand. Oh, my only child. Oh, well, my only child. Oh.
My only child too. It's okay. Sorry. Sorry. It's okay.
She should have allowed me to stay with her there.
It is okay. I said it is okay. Stop. Stop, okay?
It would have been better if I stayed with. If I had stayed back, I would
Patricia, pull yourself together.
Okay.
She's our only daughter. And I'm sure she'll be fine. Allow me, I'll sort it out. Eh?
Okay.
I brought you to this guest room so you can sleep.
Hey!
Eh? I don't want anybody to distract you, okay? So get some sleep. Come on, get some sleep. Stop this. Stop this. Stop this! It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I understand, baby. I know. It hurts. Come, get some sleep. Come on. Get some sleep.
Huh?
Get some sleep.
Why bringing my son to the shrine? Why? You know he will soon become the king of this kingdom, after he must have completed the adulthood recognition of men, the Iwakwa ceremony. My dear, I am so afraid. I don't know what will happen to my son. I just don't know.
Queen Doris, you know too well that I can never wish you evil. What we are doing here, we are trying to save my daughter's life. My only child. Please, my friend, try to understand.
I understand very well. I understand you, but you know I can do anything for you. Just for you. But I'm full of curiosity here. This is a very unclear situation. I'm so curious.
I bet you with my life. Nothing will happen to Prince Greg. Nothing. Please, my friend. Please, I beg you. Save my daughter. My only child. Please, help me. Doris, help me.
It's okay. It's okay. I will give it a thought. Yes. I have to give it a thought.
Hey, God.
So what was the conclusion?
Well, she said she'll think about it.
Think about it. Well, it's a serious matter.
This is time to know who is indeed a friend.
No. Don't say that. What if you were in her shoes? I'm sure you would say the same thing. Bringing the prince of Umuihu kingdom to the shrine, it's not an easy thing. Eh? Well, what if the priestess wants to transfer Eva's sickness to him. Yes. That is why I told you, do not be hasty in coming to conclusions. Yes. Well, we only hope she accepts.
Mom, I don't know the way my body is doing me. I'm feeling feverish.
Your temperature is high. It's not normal. Huh?
Mom, I'm missing Eva. I want to see her.
I'm sorry, my darling. Eva is indisposed at the moment. You will see her soon, okay?
Mom, that was what you told me yesterday. Mom, is there anything you are not telling me?
You're not sleeping.
Tell me why I should be sleeping. Tell me. Why should I be sleeping when my daughter is lying down there in a shrine? In a shrine far away from our kingdom. Eva, my daughter. So you expect me to be sleeping? Why should I be sleeping? I don't even blame you. You don't know the pain. You don't know the pain I went through to bring her into this world. You don't know the suffer that day in the labor room to push her out from my womb. You don't even know the pain. The pain of carrying a child in your womb for 9 good months. Oh God. Oh my daughter. My only child. My only heart. My only eye. Oh.
It's okay. I understand. Okay? I understand. Listen, she is our daughter. As a matter of fact, she is our only daughter. Okay? But let's give the priestess a chance.
Who even introduced you to this priestess? Who introduced you to this woman?
Ichio Jofo. He told me that she would make the sickness go and never to return.
Hey, we have tried. We've tried, we have taken her all around for treatment. Yet no result. Imagine my daughter lying down in a shrine. Not even the priestess allow us to come and watch over her. Or even come to this palace to treat her. Just imagine my only eye in the shrine. Eva!
It's okay.
My daughter lying down in the shrine, leaving her room empty.
It's okay. It's alright.
Eva! It's not okay.
It's okay.
I want my daughter back. And I want her back alive. If I come back to me.
It's okay.
Adobo magini. Akajeni yo. Ọmọ magini o. Jẹ́ nǹkan ọma. Aya o. 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 May the gods take my life if I mean any harm to the crown prince of Umuihu kingdom. After the cure, the princess must be entangled with whatever makes her happy and whoever makes her happier. For she shall be rescued from the hands of death. That is the instruction from the gods. They shall not be separated.
My friend, have you heard her? Please save my daughter.
A white spotless ram, a white hen, a pair of her shoes and dress shall be buried to the ground. The ram and hen must be buried alive. Tell the king that is what he has to do to save the princess. And after that, all pain and illness will disappear forever.
Yes,
The
we shall
gods
do that.
have spoken.
We shall. We shall do as you said.
What are you saying?
I said I'm taking Prince Greg to Iyokwa shrine.
Why will you take my nephew to such shrine? Is anything wrong with him? Does he has epilepsy? Or is there any deadly disease he's suffering from that I'm not aware of?
I'm just telling you for you to know what I'm about to do.
And I only ask a simple question, my queen. If anyone recommends Iyokwa shrine to you, that entails that a child is suffering from a deadly disease only the gods can cure. So, what is wrong with our prince?
Are you trying to stop me?
I'm not trying to stop you from taking anybody to Iyokwa shrine, my queen. I only ask a harmless question. What is wrong with our crown prince? The crown prince of Umuihu kingdom that you want to take him to Iyokwa shrine.
Okay. I want to help a friend of mine, Queen Patricia. Her daughter is battling with bronchitis. The priestess demands the princess' playmate and best friend. And we all know how close they are to each other.
So that they will transfer their disease into our crown prince, Mbano. It does not work that way, my queen. People have their crosses to carry. Everybody has their own cross. You cannot, because we are friends, and I'll say, let me seek your sickness. I cannot take your headache and put on my head in the name of friendship. Haba, how can you even accept such, my queen?
So what do you want me to do? I shouldn't help my friend?
You can go ahead and help your friend, but leave our crown prince out of it. We have consulted the chief priest. You are now free to go with him to the shrine. He is protected. If not, we will not allow him to leave this palace. This is not an ordinary matter.
I made my personal findings before I informed you people. Don't think I'm a careless queen.
It's all right, it's all right. We are very much concerned about our crown prince.
Adobo magini, Obo magini o. Ajie kokomito. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Ajashi ogwoba, ajashi ogwoba. Ajashi ogwoba, ajashi ogwoba. Eyi bu eyi. Ajie. Damanze. Ogene. Otiamaji obukani o.
Ochamaji obukani o. Adie. Damanze. Ochamaji obukani o. Adobo magini o. Obo magini o. Akajeni o.
I don't want to believe what is going through my mind.
Same here. I'm just remembering all that we have gone through, the sacrifice. I don't think we made a mistake.
No, we did not. We did not make any mistake. I can remember from that year till date, our daughter and Priest Greg are lovebirds. In a month time, they will become husband and wife.
Oh, yes.
So why?
Yes.
Why? Why are we believing that this illness is back? Why?
Dr. Lucas said that Princess Eva smokes a lot. And I will not ignore the fact that you turned that girl into this smoking habit. Yes.
Mom, why are you talking like this? We've been smoking from day one and everybody knows about it. We smoke, we club, we drink. It's not a new thing now.
Will you shut up your mouth? I said shut up.
Mom, don't shut me up. I am the next king of this land. My Iwagwa is around the corner. So mind the way you talk to me. I'm not a child.
Now listen and listen good. If anything should happen to Princess Eva, if anything happens to that innocent girl, I will castrate you and make you a useless king.
Beautiful. 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 I love your courage. I love your excess scalability. All right. My bad. But you don't expect me to apologize to you. Or do you? No. Mom, open then shall your elephant umbrella so that you will decode my jalousies. Open your ears so that you will understand what I'm about to tell you right now. Princess Eva is my wife to be. I believe in few months' time, I will take her to be my queen. Yes. Her health, her well-being, her life, everything that concerns her is my life. So I urge you to back off, so I can handle my woman the way I want, because she is my woman and she is not going to die. End of discussion, mother.
Look at.
End of discussion.
Look at someone that is about to become the king of this kingdom. All you do every day is to smoke and smoke your life out. I wish your father was to be alive and see the kind of lifestyle you are living. The same thing I told him. I told him that smoking is very, very bad, yet he continued and died on it. Now you have started from where he stopped. Continue. I will be here and watch you go.
I am highly disappointed that you come here and doubt the rituals and sacrifices I performed for the life of your daughter so many years ago.
I am sorry, wise one. I am not doubting. I am just a mother with a great concern.
Go back to your palace and be calm. Do not doubt, for a doubting spirit annoys the efficacy and works of the gods. If you want your daughter to continue to be hale and sound, then go and make merry, for she has no illness.
Wise one.
Woman, go! Do not desecrate my shrine. Go!
Who is here? Oh? Who is here? Here they are, I can see them.
How's your cake? What is it? What's the subject?
You people have to provide the items listed by His Highness as an insult or an apology for what you people did to Ichio Jofo. Who talk? Who talk? Yes?
There, Mazo Kiki, go, please, go.
Go now.
What are you saying?
Mazo Kiki, I said it's too early now, eh? I need you to leave, go to your place, leave, go. I know what you are doing. I know what I'm saying. Go, Mama, tell this man that it's too early. It's too early for what is in my mouth to come out. You know my temper. You know. Tell this man to go. Tell this man to go.
Master Keke, go and tell the Igwe that we are not listening to his judgment this time.
Simple.
You see that goat? We are not giving it to him. If he's in our shoes, he will even beat Joseph blue black.
Okay. I have seen that you people have ganged up against the king and his cabinet. You will not do anything, Abi. Yes. You people should not deny you. I'm going to pass your message to the king. You won't deny anything. Go ahead. Just go. Go ahead. I should go ahead. Go.
Master Okeke, don't follow children now.
Which one?
What's now? Ogini.
Go. Tell
Please. We are not even scared of him. Mama, stop.
What's that? Mama, stop this thing. Stop this thing. Choice, you want to buy goat and give who?
Let him
They call you prostitute. You want us to go and give them goat to thank them.
But I'm not a prostitute.
Why would we give them goat? Let me see why I will not report these people to His Highness. Let me see why. I have seen it all. Everything I have seen it all. I've seen it all. In fact, I'm going to add pepper. I will add salt. And I will make sure that my own word self will infuriate the king. So that Nena and her daughter will face the wrath of a king. They want to deny me and my friend a big chubby goat. And for that matter, it will not happen. It will never happen. Oh no, my friend. Ndala.
Everything will be so perfect. When you find the one your heart desires, everything will be alright. Whoa, yeah. No matter what they do, yeah, I will fight for you, my love. Keep the fire.
Is that what they said?
That's what they said, though. In fact, we have to look for a well-cooked-up story and tell the king. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Who is there? Joe? Joseph, one.
Papa.
Come. Papa. Bring me my cap and my staff.
Okay, Papa.
Oh, don't worry when we reach there. I will teach them why I am Ojiofo. Like an Ojiofo Ghana.
Bam.
Bam. Joe?
Papa.
I'm going to the palace. I will not be back anytime soon. So you take care of the house. Ucheri de Kuya. You know what? Let's go. Joe?
Papa.
Ucheri there.
Wait.
I will teach them.
Papa, bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. Let me call her one man. Wait. I will. Mama, tie. How are you? See, come and cook indomie for me now, Come and cook indomie for me.
You are cooking for your father? Abo? Which one? Is it the second one or the first one? And you have made the soup already? See, as soon as you're done, just come straight to the house, eh? Come and cook Indomie for me. You know how I like my Indomie. Well, don't give you a tea though. I have a tea for you. Tie! I will kill somebody's daughter today. See, if Abama no die for my heart today, I will know what caused it. The other day, Nkechi said I didn't last. I think I have to do something about it. I have to go and meet this Aboki. I have to, yes. Let me go and meet this Aboki. He will help me. He will do something for me.
Give me my khaki.
Sir, please, sir.
I said give me my khaki.
Sir, please, sir. If you collect this car from me, I will starve. My whole
Okay,
family.
you think I'm joking?
I'm not. No, sir. If you collect this car from me, I will starve. My family will starve. My sister, my mother will all starve. Please, sir. Please,
Okay,
sir. Sir.
Why did you not bring my daily returns yesterday?
Sir, that's what I've been trying to explain to you, sir. Okuya and his boys dragged me to the palace. You know, they attacked me and they still dragged me to the palace. Well, you know how it is now. Before he attended to us, it took time. Then when he now finally did, before we left there, and now he was late, and I came back and I saw a few people who I managed to get the passengers. That's how I was able to buy the small fuel that is in this car now, sir. I'm really sorry, sir.
Okay, Chukwu.
Sir.
I told you I had to hear this unnecessary complaint from you.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I know.
Did I not say so?
You have always said so, but I've not been complaining to you, sir. I mean, the last time it was just traffic. You know me, I'm not like that. I give you your money every time, sir. Sir, you know me, sir.
This will be the first and last.
Yes, sir.
You will tell me these cock and bull stories.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will never do it again, sir.
Don't ever try it next time, okay, Chukwu?
I will never, sir. I will never.
Don't try it next time.
Sir. I won't, sir.
Come and take me to my shop. This will be the last time.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Shoma, madam, you have a shortage of 5,000 naira.
But madam, I don't...
You don't have what? Look at it. Eh? Someone made a withdrawal. You did not put your charges. Eh? Look at this one. You transferred money to someone. You still did not deduct your charges from that. Is it okay? Eh? Well, I'm going to deduct 5,000 naira from your account.
Madam,
from your salary, yes. I'm going to deduct 5,000 from your salary.
Madam, this thing you're doing is not nice now, eh? Last week you deducted 5,000 naira from my salary. This week you also want to deduct another 5,000 naira. It just which is the salary. Out of 15,000, you've taken 10,000. Of course, 5,000.
What do you want me to do? Eh? You made me believe you can handle this POS business, which is the reason I asked you to stay here. Now look at how you're messing my business up. I'm going to deduct 5,000 naira from your salary, and that's it.
Madam Bikoduna, let me beg you now, please now. Can you deduct it from next month's salary?
Shoma, if he's paying you this much, then you pay attention to details. I'm out of here. If he's paying you so much,
Madam, it's not fair. So 5,000 kitchen from this month. It's not fair. Why did this shortage happen? Every time this thing will be happening. Not calculate to go in off, ma.
Very funny. Greg, how is your mother?
My mother is doing fine, Your Highness.
Greg.
Mom.
Thank you so much. Thank you for taking very good care of her for us.
My queen. Only husband now, look what's now. She's my occupation now.
Mom, Daddy, I want to ask for something.
Michelle, go ahead.
More like a favor.
Yes.
Greg and I are planning to travel to London for a friend's wedding.
Really?
Yes. One of my African American friend. She's based in Manchester City. Nora.
Nora? I think I know her. The girl that visited us some time ago?
Exactly! Mom! You remember her?
Yes,
I knew you were going to remember. So she's the one. Dad?
Oh, sure, of course, you can. As long as you are with Greg.
Yes, I'm with her.
Thank you, Dad.
You can trust me on that one.
Thank you, Daddy. So then.
You're welcome.
We're free.
I'm famished. The table is not set.
It should be. Where's Franca?
Franca! Franca!
Hello? My baby. How are you? How far now? Oh, you're about to take your bath. Okay, that means after taking your bath, you're coming to the house. No. Don't worry about that. I am alone in the house. Eh? No, my dad traveled. I'm alone in the house. Okay. Yes. So what you do is, you know the village market, right? When you get to the village market, then you call me. From there, it will be better for me to direct you. Babe, I can't wait to see you. I can't wait. Abama is coming. Abama is coming. Hey! I don't know whether I see guest me now. I see it. See there. Yeah? Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah? I cannot wait.
I pray this thing will work for my son. I pray this app will work for my son. Mama Emeka.
Don't worry, everything will be fine, eh? Your son will be well again. Please, also take this morning and night.
Enugu? Okay, ma. But please, I hope you are assuring me this thing will work, as in it will stop completely.
Are you the one asking this question? You want to do it? Eh? Oh, you've not tried my herbs before. Look, Asahami Asa. It's natural gift from the gods. I inherited it from my grandmother. My herbs are very potent. Don't worry, you will try it by yourself now, and you come back with testimony.
I've really heard about your herbs. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But how much is it?
Well, give me 2,000 naira.
Hey, 2,000 is too much now. Please. Hey, please let me pay 1,500. Please.
Well, because you're coming for the first time, I want you to try this medicine and see how potent it is. I will accept the 1,500.
Thank you very much.
You will come back with testimony.
Thank you very much. Here is your own.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Don't worry, your son will be fine, oh?
All right, ma.
And let me know, when you have finished administering these herbs, let me know how he's faring, oh?
All right, ma. Thank you very much.
Thank you, oh. Dalu, oh.
Bye-bye.
Madanya, oh. Don't worry, he'll be fine, oh?
Okay, ma.
Hey, Ozokwa, what is it now? So this little issue my children had with Mazi okay, he has already run to go and report me at the palace. What is it?
Ma, your attention is needed at the palace.
I'm coming, let me lock my door.
My king, do you know this woman instigated her children not to pay a penny? She even asked them to insult you that nothing will happen, and that your judgment is null and void.
Oh yes, I was there. Igwe, I told you that Nena is full of insults.
No, she can't do that. No, she can't. My subject cannot insult me. No, never.
My king, don't conclude though. You will see her, she will come. I'm even suggesting that for that singular act alone, the fine should be doubled. The fine should be doubled.
Oh yes. The fine should be doubled. And I feel that some tubers of yam and a keg of palm wine should be added to it so that they feel the impact of what they did.
You got anything? No.
I understand, but it's unbelievable that a woman in this kingdom will instigate her children not to apologize with the necessary items the king has proclaimed. Is she the one ruling herself in this kingdom? Well, when I look at her face, let her confess. What nonsense is this?
You don't know this woman. She will come. That
woman is not, she's not a good woman.
Mommy, come on. I'm just going for a wedding.
But when is this wedding coming up?
Next week, Mom.
Next week?
Yes.
And when are people coming back?
Say roughly 2 weeks after the wedding.
2 weeks. Let 2 weeks be 2 weeks because I wouldn't want to hear 1 month.
Mom, I'm not going forever.
I know.
Come on.
You know I'm missing you already. I am missing you, my dear. Hey.
Oh my goodness. Mom, you know I am going to miss you too.
No.
2 weeks. Nothing more, nothing less.
That's my baby.
I cross my heart.
That's my girl.
Oh, Mom. You're always so clingy.
My darling, you won't understand.
I do understand.
I love you so much.
I love you so much. Mommy, I love you.
Do you know my joy?
What?
Prince Greg is going to take good care of you over there.
Oh, so you know?
Yes.
So why then are you panicking?
Oh, my darling, you won't understand.
Hey, Mom. Now you had to follow me to my room because I'm traveling for a wedding.
My darling, I love you so much and I'm missing you already.
Mommy. Don't worry, I will soon be back for you.
Good.
Was that how much you missed me while I was away?
Will you understand? No, you won't understand. Do you know what?
What, Mom?
Immediately you come back, people will start planning for your own wedding. Yes. Yes, I can't wait.
I know this was what you wanted to say, Mom.
Yes, darling, because I need it so much.
fine. You have nothing to worry about.
Good.
Because you know that once we are back, the preparation begins.
Oh, I can't wait to see that.
And to see your grandchildren.
Yes, sir. You're apple of my eyes.
Mommy!
Love you so
I
much.
love you so much.
I will miss you, darling.
You're the best in the world.
I will miss you so much.
See you soon when I'm back. Are you Franca?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, I'll need you to go to my wardrobe. I will be traveling with my Cartier bangle and then check around for some necklace and earrings. Okay?
That's my baby.
Mom,
I
stop
see
it
Ah, madam, your money is increasing. Oh.
You don't have to worry yourself about that. I will pay you.
Okay, no problem.
Excuse me, sir. Please, do you know any good fast food around here where I can eat good food? I'm starving. I'm famished. Yeah.
Fast food. I am a taxi driver now. I should know somewhere nice now. No problem. I'll take you somewhere.
Okay. I need to go and eat good food.
Okay.
But you're also eating, right?
Me? Fast food? How? No, I don't have money for that. How can I eat fast food? For what now? No.
You don't have to. No, don't worry yourself. I will pay for it. I promise I will pay.
You pay?
Yes, I will pay.
A woman paying for a man. Somehow.
It's not somehow. It's cool. I'm fine with it, okay? Don't worry yourself.
Okay. All right. Okay.